So, just taking an easy back bend in Sphinx, forearms come down to the ground. Spread the fingers, squeeze the elbows back, roughly elbows under the shoulders. Lift the chest, squeeze the back muscles. This is very comfortable for you, press into the hands. Straighten the elbows, keep pulling the shoulder blades down the back and keep space between the ears and the shoulders, so don't let the shoulders come up. If you're very comfortable, feeling flexible, you can walk the hands back. Keep squeezing the back muscles, lifting the chest. So think about pulling the hands back towards the body, lengthening through the front of the chest. That when you come down, release the weight out of the hands, use the back muscles to lower you down. 3, 2, 1. Relaxing the right ear on the ground, close the eyes. Just take a few breaths here. Then bringing the forehead to the ground. Hands under the shoulders, elbows squeeze in. Legs together, point the toes, lift the chest all the way up. Come a little higher this time if you're comfortable. So finding the variation as deep as is comfortable for you. Again, squeeze the back muscles, roll the shoulder blades down the back. Keep the space between the ears and the shoulders. Relax the face. Squeeze the glutes, squeeze the legs. And then lowering yourself down for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Left hand comes straight out to the side. Make sure that the hand is in line with the shoulder. Right foot steps all the way back. Left ear relaxes on the ground. Right hand can rest on the right hip. And gently opening the knee is going to make it more intense of a rotation through the thoracic spine and into the shoulder. Maybe taking about 30 seconds here, maybe a minute here. Closing the eyes. Breathe into any areas of tension. Switching sides. Come back to the center, right hand reaches straight out to the sides. Left foot steps back, left hand under the left shoulder. So close the eyes. Relax the right ear on the ground, left hand on the left hip. Breathing here. Coming back to the center. So the left hand reaches straight out to the side again. This time keeping the elbow in the same line as the shoulder, just bend the elbow 90 degrees. The biggest mistake people make here is to bring the elbow lower than the shoulder. So keep the elbow in line with the shoulder, right hand under the right shoulder. Left ear is on the ground and the right foot steps back. Many people, the foot doesn't reach the ground, that's completely okay. If it does, just rest the foot on the ground. The right hand presses down into the ground. That just helps you to open the chest a little more. Slowly switching sides. 90 degrees through the right elbow. Step the left foot back. So we can press this left hand down into the ground, rotate the left shoulder blade down the back to increase the stretch. Close the eyes, deepen the breath. This one you should feel a lot more in the front of the shoulder. Coming back to the center, just pushing back, resting in child pose. So taking a wide knee child's pose, so knees nice and wide, feet together, sinking the torso in between the thighs, reach the hands out in front of you, just karate chop the ground with the hands. Rest the forehead on the ground, breathe into any areas of tension through the back, through the rib cage. And then slowly walking the hands back.